Hello friends, we are in level 1 class 4 in Abacus. There are 3 formulas in Abacus, right? Small friends addition and subtraction, big friends addition and subtraction, combination of small friends and big friends. When enough bits are not available to add or subtract, then we'll use these formulas, okay? In this video, we are going to see small friend formula in detail, right? This is the column for comparison of small friends addition and subtraction formula. In small friend formula, 5 is the boss for both addition and subtraction. First, let's see when we use small friends formula, okay? First, I explain addition part. If I want to add one bit from question, first we should check whether one bit is available to add in one slot. If one bit is available, we can add it directly. If one bit is not available to add, then use small friend formula for adding one, right? In small friend formula, 5 is the boss. Small friends are the numbers that adds up to the total of 5, right? So 1 and 4 are friends. As we know that 1 plus 4 equal to 5, right? So one friend be in plus, another friend should be in minus, minus 4. In addition, boss should be in plus. Plus 1 equal to plus 5 minus 4 is a small friend formula for adding 1. For adding 1, first we should check whether 5 bits are available to add in one slot, okay? If it is available, add 5 bits from upper part and remove the friend of 1, which is 4, okay? So plus 5 minus 4 is a small friend formula for plus 1. This is the formula for subtracting minus 1, okay? If you want to add plus 1, add the boss, remove the friend of 1. That is the formula. And if you want to do minus 1, remove the boss minus 5 plus 4. This is the opposite of addition formula. That's it. For doing minus 1, first we should check whether small friend boss, that is 5, can be removed in one slot. If we can remove from one slot, then use the small friend formula, right? And we know that one's friend is 4. Here one friend is in minus, another friend 4 should be in plus. That's the formula. Minus 1 equal to minus 5 plus 4. And same method for all formulas. Plus 2 equal to plus 5 minus 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So one friend is in plus, another friend should be in minus. Add boss here. Here minus 2 equal to minus 5 plus 3. One friend is in minus, another friend should be in plus. Boss will be minus in subtraction. Next, for adding 3 plus 5 minus 2 is the formula. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So one friend is in plus, another friend should be in minus. Boss is in plus for addition. Minus 3 equal to minus 5 plus 2. 3's friend is 2 in small friend formula. So one friend is in minus, another friend should be in plus, and boss will be minus in small friend subtraction. Next, plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So one friend is in plus, another friend should be in minus. So plus 4 equal to plus 5 minus 1. 4's friend is 1 in small friend formula. If one friend is in minus, another friend should be in plus, and boss will be the minus in subtraction. These are all the small friend formula. So if we want to add or remove the number which is less than 5, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, first we should check small friends formula, okay? That will explain in problems, right? In next video, we'll see the problems using these formulas. We'll explain each and every formula in separate video, okay? Thank you, friends.